E-File Tutorial: How to Upload Your Tax Data Using Excel. This video will walk you through the steps for importing data on the eFile site using our Excel template. Importing tax data saves you time and effort, especially if you have multiple payers and recipients to file. This import process automatically creates all payers, recipients, and tax forms included in the Excel template rather than having to manually create payers, recipients, and forms. To make things easy, the formatted spreadsheet provides predefined columns for all the required payer, recipient, form, and amount fields. You can also copy and paste data from other reports or databases, or you can manually populate the fields. From the dashboard, select View Import Options. Click the Download button and save the template to your desktop before entering your data. In the spreadsheet, there is one tab for each form type. Only populate the tab for the forms you are e-filing and leave the other tabs blank. Do not combine different form types on a single tab and do not delete tabs. To guide you through the process, refer to the example at the top of the spreadsheet to see the correct format and cell restrictions. Do not change the header columns. The gray shaded cells in row 4 indicate what each cell contains and helpful information about entering your data. Add your data starting at row 6. Anything above row 6 is for your information only and will be ignored by the system. Once you've completed populating the spreadsheet, step 2 is to upload the file to the eFile site. On Form Import Options, click Select File to import and locate the file you have created. Step 3, click Import Data. When your file imports, you will be delivered to a page called Review Your Imported Forms. You may see errors because the system performs many validations that prevent certain types of duplications or errors. On this page, the forms will be displayed in a grid. You have the option to fix the errors on the form on the screen by clicking on the data field of the form showing an error, or you can fix them in the spreadsheet. If you fix them in the spreadsheet, you will have to go through the upload process again. If you fix the errors on screen, once you've completed the corrections, the screen will show Total Errors 0. And you can submit your forms. Some errors are informational and will let you proceed without changing the information. Once you have eliminated any errors and saved the forms, you will be on the Forms in Progress page where all your uploaded forms are available to check out. On this page, you can run a summary or totals report to confirm all imported data is correct. As a final step, select a service option of eFile Print and Mail, eFile Only, or Print and Mail Only, and then add to cart to check out and submit your forms.